I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now.
So for the podcast, what I'm trying to do is talk to everyday people. Like, I think the big names are awesome, but I'm more excited just about everyday people. And I recently recorded a podcast with this gentleman called Gary Jordan, who goes by the Blind Bitcoiner on Twitter. And I was like, I've got to talk to him. And just learned about his story. And he was just saying how there's so many obstacles and challenges when it comes to online banking in general, and that he can't just do anything easily. He's got to call up his bank to get things sorted out, even if they're very simple. And he was also talking about how challenging it is also to be on Bitcoin, that he can't really self-custody. And there's no braille for a lot of these apps. There's no sound for these applications as well. And so on-ramping and off-ramping can be difficult. But he's still so excited about it, and he's still so bullish about it that he was saying, I'm telling my friends who are blind about Bitcoin, because we don't just have to depend on the government. We can be independent, and we can have this asset that's going to last and, allow us to build wealth and become more, empowered and independent. And I thought that was so amazing that even for people that are typically disenfranchised and pushed out to the margins are feeling empowered enough to be leaders in their own communities and teach Bitcoin. I think that's just like super, super cool to see.